take out page number 30. I'm going to give the explanation of the content over there. Now you learned how to arrange words which begin with same kind of letters. Now the next category of letters which we will learn to arrange is where first two letters of the word are same in all the given words. Examples are the three boxes given on page number 30. Let me read out the first box. Bag, barely, ball. Here children, you can see the first two letters are same in all the words. It begins with BA. In this situation, you are going to go to the third word and compare with rest of the words. Now the first is G, second one R, third one is L. So according to you, what will come first? Yes, you're right. The letter G will be coming first. And then the second will be L and the third will be R. So if I am correct, the first word will be bag, second is ball, the third will be barely. You can practice this exercise so that you learn how to do it exactly. Next thing is the first half of the dictionary contains words which lies between letter A to M, and the second half of the dictionary contains words which begin from N and go on till Z. If you are looking for a word like Sue, you must always refer the last section of the dictionary. Next we are going to learn about guide word and entry words. So children, when you open a dictionary, if you want to find a word, you can see on the top left of the page there is a word written in bold letter. It is called guide word. They actually show you what kind of words are given over there, beginning with what kind of letters. Okay, and if you see on the right hand page, you can see the same word on the top corner. That same word you will find at the end of that page in the right side. Okay, that is also the guide word. Now in the dictionary, all the words begin with a bold black type ink, isn't it? It is written in bold letters. Those words are also called entry words and they are arranged in alphabetical order. Now you come to page number 31. There are some list of words. You have to find the guide word at the top of the page on which these words are. So children, you are going to need your dictionary to find out the guide word of these entry words. So you will do it on your own in your textbook using your dictionary. Children, there is one more exercise given on page number 31. There are two boxes given. You can see there are guide words given on the top and entry words given on the box given below. You have to put tick mark in front of the entry words if they are found under the same guide words. Okay, for example, cop and correct. If on the page where these two guide words are existing, if cool is there present, you are going to put a tick mark. If it is not present, you are going to put a cross. So you need to use your dictionary compulsorily to do this exercise. If you are able to do this exercise successfully, that becomes you are becoming clever along with the dictionary. Okay, now there are some words in the dictionary which have so many meanings. Any word you can take. you will see that so many meanings are given. Now basically we are going to use the meaning which is according to the sentence we are reading. Okay, and one more thing, the last thing about this chapter is the root words. They are words which have nothing added in the beginning or at the end. Example, cheated. If you want to find cheated, you will not find it in the dictionary. Instead, you have to look for cheat. If you want to find the meaning of fatter, first you need to find out the word fat, and so on. If you want to look at the word closest, you need to find the word close. Now some words are given in the exercise on page number 32. The words like jumping, frozen, hills, gladly, acted, cheaper. So if I want to find out the meaning of jumping, I need to look for the word jump. Frozen, froze. Hills, hill. Now the remaining you are going to do it on your own. I hope you are familiar with the dictionary now, and this chapter is going to help you a lot in using it wisely, and it will make you a person who can easily find any word in the dictionary in a short span of time. Thank you.